Okay, so welcome to my video tutorial on how to lubricate your Rubik's Cube. And I just want to tell you that first of all, it's pretty easy, but if your cube is kind of stiff and stuff, you're going to need some tools for you to help you, or if you have really strong fingers, that'll work too. So, the tools that you have, that you don't have to have, but the tools that you should have if your Rubik's Cube is really stiff is something to pop this piece out, because sometimes some cubes don't pop out, so you're gonna have to do that. And then putting the piece back in, you're gonna have to hammer it. I know it sounds really stupid, but you have to hammer it. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to spray lubricant it. So with some, right here, lubricant, SPRAY Lube. So if you do not have any spray lubricant, click away. This video will not help you at all. So yeah, anyways, this is only for spray lubricant. So anyway, so let's start it. So the first time when I got this Rubik's Cube, it was crappy. Like, crappy as hell. So it used to be like this. I can barely spin this with one finger. It used to be like this. But now I lubed this one, and look at it now. It is so much better. It turns so much more smoothly. It actually turns very smoothly. And yeah. So, but we're gonna lube this cube. This cube is horrible. Because watch, I'm sucky with my left hand. And I can still move them very fast. But watch with my right hand on this one. I can't really move it at all. So we're going to lube this cube just like this one. So let's grab your spray lube and let's start it. Alright. So first step, obviously, you're going to have to take the piece out. So with your tool, you take the cube and then you turn it so it's 45 degrees like that, with this facing in one angle, and then you just take the piece out just like that. And then when the piece is out, put it somewhere safe like there, and then take the other two pieces out. And now this is where the spraying starts. I would recommend a towel to dry up the spray because it gets all over the cube. Just like this. Okay, now it's time to spray. So what you do is spray inside the cube, and you spray inside the cube and on the outside on every single one, so it'll turn. It's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cube, do a little squirts inside and then on the outside, right here. And then we turn it and do that same exact thing. Then we turn it and spray. Remember to get the top too. So then we turn it and then spray and then turn it, and then that's it. So now what we do, you're probably going to get some on you, so you just use your towel to dry up the other pieces. Alright, now you just use the towel to dry up spots on the cube that are messy and sticky. So far it's turning a lot more smoothly. So now what we do Just get a little bit more inside there so it'll go around in there. Alright. So now it's a lot more smoothly. Now what we do is put the pieces back in. As shown. And just like this. Simple as that. And now if your Rubik's Cube is being hard with you and not letting you put that last piece in, this is where your hammer comes in. Just hammer that thing in there. It'll eventually work. You got it. I don't know why it's not working, but there we go. Okay, so now as you can see, you got the first side done, and now it is turning a hell lot more smoothly than this. But right when you first get it, it's gonna like skip a little, like that, like that. It's not gonna turn completely smoothly. Just wait inside for it to dry and stuff. So now that we lubed the top, now it's time to lube the bottom. But before we lube the bottom, you gotta dry the cube so it'll be good. So we lube the white side, now we lube the yellow. Do the same exact things I taught you. Step 1, turn it, take it out, and now once you take it out, you can't really see it, but there's already some lube on there. That's because you sprayed it inside. So it'll turn a little smooth, but you still have to get the outsides. So here's 1, 2, 3, and one more side. There we go. There's 4. And then we put the pieces back together. Oops. There we go. Now we put the pieces back together as shown. God damn it. It may feel a lot sticky when you're doing this, but that's okay. You can just wash your hands. It comes off really easy. Alright, now hammer time. Oh, well, failure. When I hammered the piece in, a piece of the cube came off it. Wow, that was a fail. Okay, anyway, so now you got 2 sides done. Well, now you cover it up. Then you got to do the final 2 sides, and then let it sit and dry, and then your Rubik's Cube will be lubricated. So we did these 2 sides. So we did these 2 sides. So we did this side, and we did that side. So now we did these 2 sides. Now we got to do these 2 sides. You can, once you pick any color and you do both of them like this, you can either do this and that, or that and that. You just got to do it 4 times. So I'm gonna pick to do I'll do the blue side. Actually, no, I take that back. You only have to do it 3 times. I remember. So I'm gonna do the black and white side. Just like that. Take out the pieces. And when you take out the pieces, you can see it's lubed already. But that's okay. Just lube it again. It's 1, turn. 2, turn. 3, turn, 4, turn. So there we go. And now, once you're done, spray the inside a bit more, and then dry the cube up. But do not dry up the inside, just dry up the outside. And then put the pieces back together. And then once you do that, let your cube dry. And then, I'll say about after, There we go. It's almost in there. So, anyway, I'll fix this piece later, but anyway, after about, probably, okay, here we go, there we go. Alright, so, yeah, that's basically it. So, and then after about, let's say about an hour to 2 hours or something, you gotta be patient, but yeah. But after an hour or two, your crappy Rubik's Cube will then turn into this. So yeah. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to spray lube your Rubik's Cube. If you want to see more videos on how to lube your 4x4 and stuff, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll get to that. So yeah, thanks for watching my tutorial, and I will see you guys some other time. Bye.